stop for 60 seconds because this may change your next hour and your next year. If you have ever wanted your body to respond and felt your firmness fade too soon, I want you to hear this. You are not broken, and you are not stuck with decline. Your system can be trained, your vessels can strengthen, and your confidence can return. Many men blame age or hormones and give up. That story is incomplete. Desire matters, and hormones matter. But an erection is first a vascular event supported by muscle. Arteries must deliver oxygen-rich blood. Erectile tissue must trap it. Veins must hold it. Pelvic floor muscles must support all of it. When any link weakens, results change, even when your mind wants more. The good news is that targeted training can restore the links. My name is Dr. Zara Vale, and for years I have worked with men who wanted reliable performance without leaning only on pills. When they train the foundation, they stop fearing the moment, and they start enjoying it again. Today I will give you 3 science-backed methods that you can begin safely. 1 is simple daily strength. 1 is a device with decades of clinical use. 1 is the quiet tool almost no one mentions, but it can reshape tissue health over months. Stay with me, because the last method is the one most people overlook. First, let's clear a myth. If firmness drops, it does not always mean low testosterone or weak willpower. Often it means the blood arrives too slowly, escapes too quickly, or the supporting muscles are deconditioned. That is a training problem, not a fate. Studies in urology and sexual medicine show that when men improve pelvic floor strength, vessel responsiveness and tissue elasticity, scores for erectile function improve. Climax control improves and satisfaction improves. That is why these 3 methods work together. Exercise 1 is pelvic floor training, often called Kegels for men. Find the muscle by stopping the flow of urine once to identify the sensation, then practice only when not urinating. Contract the pelvic floor for 5 seconds, then relax for 5 seconds. Do 10 repetitions, 2 to 3 sets per day, most days of the week. This muscle group wraps the base and supports veins that keep blood inside. Stronger support means better trapping, better firmness, and better control. Most men feel changes in 4 to 6 weeks, with steadier pressure and fewer mid-performance dips. Keep your breath relaxed, keep the abdomen and glutes soft, and focus the squeeze low and forward. Think of it as foundational strength for a system you want to trust. Exercise 2 is vacuum therapy, the medical pump. Forget late-night marketing. This device is used in clinics, especially after prostate surgery, and it has peer-reviewed data behind it. You place a clear cylinder over the penis and create a gentle vacuum. Blood is drawn into the erectile tissue. You can place a comfortable constriction ring at the base to help keep it there during activity, but never longer than the safe window you are taught. The vacuum expands tissue, improves oxygenation, and keeps the microvasculature active. Many men use it for 10 to 15 minutes, 2 to 3 times per week, and notice better morning fullness and a faster response when aroused. Used correctly, it can also enhance the effect of medications when both are prescribed. Safety matters. Use a quality device, start on the lowest vacuum, avoid pain, and speak with a professional if you have bleeding risks or numbness. When used properly, the pump conditions the tissue and reminds the vessels how to fill. Exercise 3 is penile traction therapy, the extender. This is the quiet method almost no one talks about. Yet it is a powerful long-term tool in urology and physiotherapy. A well-fitted extender applies gentle, sustained traction. That signal stimulates new vessel growth, increases elasticity in the tunica, and remodels collagen over time. Consistent use for 1 to 2 hours per day, several days per week, for 3 to 6 months can improve erection quality and, in some men, produce modest length gains. The key is patience and precision. Fit matters. Gradual tension matters. This is more like physical therapy than a gadget. Men who commit often report not just better rigidity, but a sense of youthful responsiveness returning. If you try traction, choose a medical-grade device, follow careful instructions, and increase tension slowly. Now let's put the plan together. Build strength with daily pelvic floor work. Condition blood flow with short vacuum sessions each week. Reshape tissue health with measured traction if you are serious about long-term change. Muscle, flow, and tissue. 3 angles, 1 goal. Reliability you can feel. If you have tried pills and felt disappointed, do not let that stop you. Pills support chemistry for a few hours. Training builds capacity for years. Research in the Journal of Sexual Medicine, European Urology, and guidelines from professional associations support pelvic floor training for erectile function, vacuum devices for rehabilitation and intercourse readiness, and traction for tissue remodeling in specific conditions. The message is simple. Your body adapts when you train it wisely and consistently. Here is what to expect. With pelvic floor practice, many men notice steadier firmness and better control in a month. With vacuum conditioning, many men notice improved fullness and response within weeks. With traction, change is gradual. Plan on months, not days. The timeline can feel slow, but the payoff is real. You are building a system that responds when you need it, not just when a pill dictates. Common questions matter. Will this hurt? No, and it should not. Discomfort is a sign to reduce intensity or review your technique. Can you overtrain? Yes. Treat pelvic floor work like any other muscle program. Quality beats quantity. Are these methods safe with medical conditions? Many are. But if you have severe vascular disease, blood thinners, neuropathy, or recent surgery, speak to a clinician first. What if anxiety is part of the picture? Training still helps. Confidence returns when your body keeps its promises, and that confidence lowers anxiety. Mindset matters. Choose a small, obvious place to begin. 10 pelvic squeezes before bed. A 5-minute pump session twice this week. A careful fitting session for traction if you are ready for a longer plan. Track what you do on a simple calendar. Wins stack fast when you can see them. If you miss a day, resume the next day without judgment. The goal is not perfection. The goal is capacity. Remember why this matters. Erections are about intimacy, confidence, and quality of life. When your pelvic floor is strong, your blood flow is responsive, and your tissue is resilient, you feel more like yourself. You stand taller. You approach closeness without worry. You enjoy the moment instead of managing it. If this helped you, take one action today. Pick the method that feels easiest and begin. If you want accountability, tell a trusted partner or write down your plan. If you have questions, ask them, because precision keeps you safe and consistent. You are not at the end of your vitality. With steady habits, the next chapter can be stronger than the last. This is Dr. Zara Vale. Stay consistent, stay patient, and stay hopeful, because your system is designed to improve when you train it.